lesson, we are going to explore a few different variations on the tap walk. So instead of just doing a plain heel toe, we're going to be adding a few things to it. It's a lot of fun. And this one is going to be a little tricky because your right foot is going to do a regular tap walk. Your left foot is going to do a scuff, then a heel drop, and then a tap walk. The right foot does a plain tap walk. Left foot does a scuff, heel, heel, toe. So it's as if we took that tap walk and added that scuff heel in between there. So putting it together, it's going to be heel, toe, scuff, heel, heel, toe. 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 All right, it's really hard because you're doing totally different things with each side of your body. Let's go through that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel, toe, scuff, heel, heel, toe. 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 Five, 6, 7, 8. Heel, toe, scuff, heel, heel, toe. 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 Both sides are going to do scuff, heel, heel, toe. So that's going to be scuff, heel, heel, toe, 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 scuff, heel, heel, toe. 5, 6, 7, 8. Scuff, heel, heel, toe, 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 scuff, heel, heel, toe.